How do you convert data into tables? A database table is a two-dimensional array of columns and rows. Tables normally describe places, such as stores, people, such as customers, objects, such as inventory, or relationships, such as sales transactions. Let's say that you wish to create a customer table. You might consider the following attributes: customer ID, first name, last name, street address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and credit limit. You can build an SQL command to create this table. For each column, you specify its name, its data type, and possibly one or more constraints as shown here. Please pause this presentation to study the details. Now let's consider creating a sales transaction table. If you have questions about the sale, you would like to have a phone number. If you put the phone number on the sales transaction, you will be repeating the same phone number on each sales ticket for each item processed. But the customer is buying your product, and the phone number would occur only once if it is in the customer table. If you wish to change the phone number, you have only one place to change it if it is in the customer table. Look for the most logical association for locations of data. When designing SQL tables, you go through several logical steps. Identify all of your tables, decide what columns are to be in each table, decide what columns will be used as the primary key so that every row is uniquely identified. Primary key will be discussed in more detail. See that every table has at least one column in common with other columns in other tables in the database. These common columns provide the logical links to the data in the other tables, making this a relational database. Now normalize these tables to eliminate irregularities and anomalies. We will discuss this process in the next presentation. Please pause this presentation to study the details. We hope you found this information useful. Please come visit us at computerbasedtraininginc.com for courses with more examples and labs where you create and execute complete commands.